I hereby declare. On oath. That I absolutely. And entirely. Renounce. And abjure. All allegiance. And fidelity. To any. Foreign prince. Potentate. State. Or sovereignty. Of whom or which. I have heretofore. Been a subject or citizen. That I will. Support and defend. The Constitution. And laws of the United States of America. Against all enemies. Foreign and domestic. That I will. Bear true faith. And allegiance. To the same. That I will. Bear arms. On behalf of the United States. When required by the law. That I will. Perform. Non-combatant service. In the armed forces of the United States. When required by the law. That I will. Perform. Work of national importance. Under civilian direction. When required by the law. And that I. Take this obligation. Freely. Without any mental reservation. Or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.